Hello everyone, welcome to KeyPoints. Today I am going to show you the answer of the Excel skills for essential, and if you stuck at any question of this course you can find it here. So I am going to search the Excel skill essential, business essential, and that is the course. Click on that and this course is, and this is that course. Okay, go to course. But today I show you the week 1 is Excel skill for business essentials, just week 1 answer. So click on week 1. This is the course week 1, and here is the scenario week 1 introduction discussion, and here is the practice. This is the workbook, and here the practice video, and this is the quiz, and here are the answer. Just click on that. So the feedback. So I pass it at grade 100%. So first question is, the Excel is an example of what type of software? Presentation package, spreadsheet software, word processor. So this answer is number 2, spreadsheet software. Number 2 question is, which of the following is not part of the ribbon? This answer is the tools. Number 3 is, my ribbon has disappeared. How can I get it back? You can answer here, one or more answers are possible. Number 1 is, switch to another worksheet. Number 2, close Excel and open it again. Number 3, right click on the one of the tabs and untick collapse the ribbon. And number 4, double click on any of the ribbon tabs. So this answer is last 2 of this. And number 4 answer is, clicking on the file tab takes you to the backstage view. From here you can, one or more answer are possible. So this answer is, all this answer is correct, all this option is correct. Set up Excel options, open a file, close a file, create a blank workbook. All this answer is, so the number 4 all option is correct. Number 5, the tools on the far right of the status bar at the bottom of the screen allow you to, this answer is the toggle between different view options and set a specific zoom percentage, and also the use the zoom slider. So this is the basically all the answer of week 1. So this is the first week 1 first quiz, and here are the second quiz. So basically this is the first what I talk about. This is the first quiz, and this is the week 1 second quiz. I will click on that. Here the answer. Number 1 is answer is, in Excel the following mouse pointer will allow us to. So this is the mouse point. This is Mac and this is the Windows. Move data. So it is the correct answer. And number 2, in the following graphic, which is the active cell? So here, which is the active cell? So B1, answer B1, this is the active cell. To select the whole of column B, we click on B. This is the answer of question 3. And number 4 answer is, what is the shortcut key to select all the data in a data block? So this basically this answer is the Ctrl plus A. Number 5 question is, how do we select two blocks of data that are not next to each other? So this answer is the select the first block, hold down the control key and select the second block. This is the answer. So the next quiz, this is the third quiz of first week. So number 1 question is, after entering data into a cell, which option will move your cursor into the next cell underneath your active cell? This answer is the press enter and click the mouse pointer into the cell underneath. Number 2 question is, which tool should we use to help keep headings visible when we scroll through a large workbook? This answer is the fridge panels. Number 3 question is, you are going to use the fridge panel. So this answer is that, take a look at the screenshot. This is the screenshot and we have to find which cell do you need to click in order to fridge column A and B as well as row 1 to 4. If you are finding this tricky, why don't you download the workbook and have a play? So basically this answer is C5. How do you switch between different workbook inside Excel? The answer is the click on the view tab and select this tool. So this tool we have to select. The number 5 question is, which tool was used here to produce the view button? And this answer is the page layout view. So I'm going to next quiz. This is the called data entry. So this is the quiz of week 1, the data entry, and the number 1 question is, which of the following will Excel recognize as a date? This answer is the 05/09/2016 and 5 September 16. These two is the both this option is correct. Number 2 question is, to clear the contents of a cell without affecting the cell, single click on the cell and press the delete key on your keyboard. This is the correct answer. And number 3, before you enter data in an empty cell, you must double click on the cell. So this is the false. Number 4 question is, which of the statements below are correct regarding Excel behavior when you enter data into an empty cell? So number 4 answer is, any text entered is automatically aligned on the left and any number entered is automatically aligned on the right. So these two are correct answer in number 4. Number 5 question is, Sin used a tool to create the content of cell B7. Which one did he use? So this is the answer. This is the answer, sum of sum. So we move into the next quizzes. It's called the field handle. So the number 1 question is, what is one of the main purposes of the field handle that we have demonstrated? So this answer is the number 2, to automatically create a series based on existing data. And number 2 question is, what does your mouse cursor need to look like in order to activate the field handle? This answer is the F bold and black plus sign. So number 3 question is, take a look at the screenshot below this screenshot and C needed to separate the first names from column C. C needed to separate the first names from column C. This would normally take quite a long time, but he managed to fill column D within seconds. How did he do that? So this number 3 is question is answer is, Sin typed Christopher into cell D2, then he the field handle to D7. He changed the tool option to flash fill. This is the correct answer of 3. How do you activate the fill functionality? Remember, if you are not sure, Head over to Excel and explore. So basically this answer is the you hover over the small square in the bottom right hand corner of your active cell until you see the thick black cross, then click and drag. This is the correct answer of question 4. And number 5 question is, take a look at the screenshot below. What do you expect to see in the cell A3 and B3, C3 and D3? So these are the, when you drag the fill handle all the way down to D6, this answer is, if you are not sure, download the workbook below, give it to a go and Excel. This is the workbook you have to download, and the answer is the first one, A3 5071 to B3 2013 0506. C3 is the Christopher Schildchild. D3 7. So this is the answer of number 5. So let's move on to the next. So this is the answer of all the quizzes of week 1. Next we move into the practice challenge in this week, the assessment and this answer. You can watch it in the next video. Until then, goodbye.